What's up, everybody? It's Common Sense the Best coming at you with another video. It's been a while, people, but I've been busy all week trading with my trading bots and scalping over in the Forex market. And in this video, we're going to take a look at the numbers that I've got for the Galileo, the moving average crossover bot, and the simple MACD bot, which makes me win after win after win after win. Zero losing trades, people, last week. Will you take a look at that? 40 out of 40 wins, 100% win rate. And our portfolio went up 11% in 1 week. 1 week. 11%. Now, you tell me anywhere else that you can invest and be guaranteed anywhere from 7 to 11% increase on your portfolio a week. Now, we got started with $250, as y'all know. We moved it all the way up to $3,500. Life happened. A friend of mine needed some help. I cashed out my portfolio and I gave him $3,000. That left me with $550, something like that, in my account. And so from there, over the past 5 weeks, I've been trading, and we've turned the 550 into 1,300, which is where we started the week last week. And now we'll start the week at 1,300 and 150, so that's $1,450. Some good news. He just paid me a pretty good sum of the money back that he borrowed from me, and I'll be adding it to the balance, and we'll be starting next week at 2,350, 2,350. And if we made 150 last week, I expect to make $300 next week to increase in the portfolio. And if we have another week like last week, which is normal for us to go a whole week without a loss, and people want to know, how do you do it, CSI? It's so simple, people. Even a caveman can do it, all right? Very, very simple. You don't need a lot of technical analysis to know what you're doing when you do bot trading. First, you learn the process. How does the bot work? Once you know how the bot works, then you train with it over the next 2 weeks. You begin to trust the process. So first you learn the process, then you trust the process, then you learn how to enhance the process. All right, and I'm fixing to show y'all step 3, enhancing the bot's performance. All right, over here on the MetaTrader 5 platform, I've got the simple MACD expert pulled up. These are 2 trades that the bot made, and then after the bot made the second one, I enhanced it. I'm going to show you how I did it. But right here is where the bot triggered itself, and it set us take profit of this right here. And then when it fell back and moved right back up, it took the profit right there. Now, from here to where I bought it, when it fell down, that's called drawdown, and it always comes right back up. Now, the bot sold for me, and we waited. And a few minutes later, it bought again. All right. When it bought to go long, it went against us. And so I started buying these positions here on my own. I was enhancing the process. Now, watch this. I turn on my support and resistance finder. It's an indicator that you can download from the MQL5 marketplace. It's free. You just turn it on, and it shows me where all the support and resistance lines are. So the bot bought right there. And when the bot was wrong, it was wanting to go long, and it was wrong. So then when it came down here is when I bought my second order. All right. I bought it when it hit the support line, and because the spread was large, my entry point was up here, and I didn't like that. All right. So when it fell down and continued to fall, it went past the support line to down here. I'm expecting it to come back up to this resistance line. So I bought some more. So I would bring my third buy to right here, this support line, expecting it to go up, but it didn't. It turned around and crashed. And when it crashed, I bought another round right here. And because of the spread, I didn't get quite the good feel that I wanted to for my entry point. So I waited. And when it came down and touched the support line again. The second time I bought some more, and then when I was pretty confident this is ready to go, I hit one more time, and I got a bad feel right here to where my entry point was way the hell up here, and that sucked. But here's the thing. These three made pretty good profits. And these two that were up here sold for a loss, but this one broke even. And these two losses were taken in by this win. And so it looked like this. We had two great wins with $6.00 and one was $16.52. We had two losers, but we also had the two other winners that took those losses in, and they were still up $3.92 and $4.62, even after they absorbed the first two losses. So that's how you average down. You just wait for it to come to the support line, and then you just buy some more. Gradual increase on your lot size at the support and resistance line, and you're going to get 40 out of 40 trades a week too, people. It's just common sense. Now, I'm going to say this. If you use the bots and you don't want to average down, you don't. This just averaging down makes it to where you're in drawdown less time, okay? But if you just let the bot buy, just like I showed you in the first example, it will take care of itself. When it corrects, it goes back up, it will take the profit for you. I am just an active trader on all day. So I'm also thinking that next week, I haven't done it yet because I've never done it before, but to live stream the MetaTrader 5 platform so you can watch as the bot trades and takes profit, and as the bot trades and I average it down so I can make more money on that trade. What do y'all think? Should I try to live stream it next week and let y'all see exactly how the bot is working? Tell me down in the comments. And with that, love y'all. Be blessed. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.